Davinci Resolve 18.1 was released on November 11th. These are the settings for the YouTube on version 18. So as you can see, when we click on Preferences, we're shown here in this version here, the studio version, the addition of Frame.io, which was there before, but the YouTube enables you to sign on to upload it directly to your channel. If you see a YouTube upload failed message, that's usually due to the fact you haven't set it correctly. These now the settings within 18.1. Enables you to flip between vertical resolution and change chapter markers. Neat addition is now you can upload your thumbnail directly. Set the visibility to private, public or unlisted. Private so you can actually go back and edit the description, etc. and the category that you would like it to go into.